Hey, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Game. We just launched we launched yesterday, but we're still taking orders today. Orders are still pumping in today. This is for our new ECLIPSE Invisible Black Silver Nano. Now this screen paint is 4K and 3D ready. It's available in 2 quarts, 1 gallon, and 2 gallons. Does come with a Wagner-free paint sprayer and blackout cloth. Now I did 2 demonstrations on this today. I did one actually painting the screen, pretty much throwing everything up there, wood, plastic, cardboard, you name it. If you're curious to see that demonstration, check at the bottom. I have part 1 and part 2. In part 2 I show the screen that's finally dry, and you get a chance to see the final results of the screen. Now we have it upstairs. I'm going to turn around real quick, but first of all, let me show you where the projector's at. The projector is coming in at around 14 feet from the screen. Downstairs I had it at 10. I'm using my same projector I used downstairs, the ViewSonic Full 1080p projector. This projector is 3200 lumens. Now, I'm going to show you what the screen looks like. This is what the screen looks like. Keep in mind, this screen is taking on a ton of ambient light. It has my overhead condensed lighting. Over here I have a window open, and pretty soon I'm going to open up that door and allow more light to actually cascade in. Now I'm going to cover over one part of the screen. You can see how much ambient light is hitting the screen. This is coming from the condensed lighting. Come over here, because I don't want to show you that I'm giving you the illusion that there's light actually hitting the screen when it's actually bypassing. I want to show you this physical light hitting the screen. Alright, so now for insult for injury, we're going to come over here, we're going to open up our door. I have a huge bay door, a lot of light comes through this door. We're going to open it all the way up because I want as much light in here as possible. Ooh, I got mail. So I'll open it as much as possible. See, the door is all the way open. And you can see how much light is in the environment. Just look around at the environment and see how much light we have in here. A lot of light. Alright, so let's begin. My volume up a little more. Now the screen is 136 inch anamorphic. So we have light coming in from every area. And this screen looks absolutely fantastic at 14 feet back. Let me shut my door real quick. What my neighbor's thinking. Our neighbor's always thinking that, no matter what. What is he up to now? Show you how much light we have coming in from there. Okay. Okay, we'll grab another one. Now keep in mind, we have window light coming in, hitting the screen. At 14 feet back. Sorry about my squeaky floors. Okay. Mine, that's the overhead light in the screen. Now if I were to use my everyday lighting in this environment, I'll close my blinds. This is what the everyday lighting in the environment, the everyday lighting that I use. Without the everyday environment, If I just turn it off and just keep everything nice and dark in here, this is what the technology pulls up. But I don't have to be in the dark. That's what I love about my technology. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. Our new black silver nano is available now on our website. We do have free worldwide shipping. I'd like to thank you all for your time. Please check the videos at the bottom of the comments section so you can see the demonstrations on how easy it is to paint the screen. And pretty much you can use any surface you want. No pros required. Thank you all for your time.